What's up, fans of Wonders of London? This is Vincent. Hope you're all doing well and having a good day. I'm currently on Marylebone Road, which is right next to the Regent's Park in London. And of course, the closest station to where I am is Baker Street Station. And just over here, we actually have the Royal Academy of Music. And I thought it'd be nice to show you something quite interesting by the Royal Academy of Music. And this is the statue of Pan. Now, Pan is the great god Pan, the old god Pan, and he's considered to be one of the oldest gods in the Greek pantheon. So he's quite a fascinating god, and often he was considered a god of the wild, a god of nature, a god of the forest, and he's often depicted going on hunts. And one of the most amazing things about Pan is that whenever you see images of Pan, you actually find he has the flutes with him, because he is also quite famous because of his flutes. And the reason he's famous because of his flutes is also because he was actually an old sort of deity of music. So it is quite an interesting thing just to note. And in fact, just here, very fittingly, by the Royal Academy of Music, right here by Duke Hall, we actually have an image, a sort of keystone head, which is the image of the great god Pan. And how fantastic is that? Have a look. Just here we can see the ugly face, the horns, and in the lips we have two flutes. I do hope you've enjoyed this little video. Do have a lovely morning, afternoon, evening, etc. wherever you are. Bye.